What options does a small business have when their bank turns them down for a loan?
Well, they shouldn't feel like they're the Lone Ranger, because that's happened to a lot of people. And you have to keep in mind that banks are very heavily regulated as to what they can do and they can't do. They have rules because they're lending out depositors' money. As far as non-collateral loans, the banks are very infrequently do any of that type of lending anymore, except occasionally. If you qualify, you can get a line of credit with the bank for a small amount. And then as the years go by, you can increase it. We'll spend time on another video about collateral lending and the nuances of that. But as far as the bank is concerned, keep in mind the bank is not the only place that has money to lend. There are other people, other companies that do lending, even non-collateral lending. So that's one source. And the other thing I have to tell people is a lot of times they have relatives that will help them if they have a good idea for their business idea. But normally, what we do are, for people who are qualified and talking about no collateral loans, is using term loans, which is like you borrow a certain amount of money and you pay it back over a certain period of time. And we also use zero interest credit card stacking loans, where we can maybe get $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 in credit cards, which we have a way to turn into cash for those that need it for their particular business. The no collateral loans are based on your credit score and your credit utilization, which we'll cover more detail on a future video about the credit utilization and how to take care of that without paying down balances on credit cards. But for the most part, when we do a no collateral loan, we can generally have that approved within 48 hours of application. And by the way, we do lending in the whole United States, not just here locally in Texas.